Oops. Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ishna and I welcome you all to another video. But today we are going to talk about product empties, and I'm going to give you a small review of whether I like it or not, whether I'll purchase it or not. So this will be a product empties video, and if you are interested in such videos, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future updates. And without rambling further, let's get started. So now this will be a healthy mix of skincare, hair care, one makeup item. So before we get into the video, I would just like to quickly talk about the concept of product empties. These are certain products which I have emptied for the past few months, and I'm going to talk about them, give you a mini review and share whether I like it or not. So whether I'll purchase them again or never to be bought again, I'll talk about those in details. Now if something suits me and I want to purchase them, it might not work for you, and something that I didn't like might be extremely favorable to you and you might actually enjoy them. So don't take it personally, because products vary depending upon the person using it. Just clearing up from the beginning. Now I'll be talking about everyday usage products, and those might be extremely expensive to cheap. And the first product, and it's an unusual because I have not seen much YouTubers talk about that, and we use this usually quite regularly in our house, and especially during this coronavirus thing, and that is Soothon. Yes, this is in the liquid variant and in the neem variant. There is a spray bottle available for this as well. There are two other variants available, a fresh version, a chandan version and a neem version. Now all we use it, and all the instructions that are there at the back also states you mix it in water and take a bath, and you will be devoid of itchiness, skin eruption and all sorts of skin related troubles. And to top it all, during this coronavirus thing, it just makes your bath a bit more hygienic. So yeah, I have used this up, and we have another backup as well. All the pricing details for each product I'll try to give it on screen and in the description box below, so make sure you check the description box. Sticking to the bath regime, I have this shower gel to talk about next. I have emptied up this completely. This is the Nivea Care Shower Water Lily and Oil shower gel variant. This is quite a cheap alternative for Body Shop shower gels. I love Body Shop shower gels, but I ran out of those during the lockdown period. I could manage to lay my hands on this one, so I thought why not give it a try. After all, this is comparatively cheaper and this performs well as well. I mean, it has got yellow beads, like yellow oil beads, little size, and those actually make your bath quite pleasurable and enjoyable experience. So overall, I would recommend this for usage. Yeah, so if you're looking for a Body Shop experience from this shower gel, definitely you won't get it, but from the price point that this is offered at, it is not a bad purchase. But will I repurchase it? Not right now. I have my Body Shop shower gels backed up, so I won't be repurchasing this, but if I run out of them, I might reach out for this as well. Will I recommend? Definitely. I have also done a detailed review on this product in my blog. I'll link up the blog in the description box below, so in case you want to know further details, you can check out the blog. Next up, I have this conditioner from Biotique. It is the Biothine conditioner. This one, now I have a love-hate relationship with this one. This definitely smoothens out your hair as a conditioner is supposed to work. However, it increased my hair fall considerably, and that is not something what I bargained for, so I will not recommend this product. Although I have a detailed review for this in my blog as well, you can check it out. But yeah, I struggled through this bottle. The first bottle, it was good. I don't know whether this batch is an issue, but I'm not going to go back and repurchase this ever again. But if this suits you and you enjoyed it, good for you. I will not ask you to discontinue, of course. That's your choice. It suited you. It didn't suit my hair at all. Sticking to a hair product that actually worked for me and I will repurchase it time and again is this shampoo from OGX. This is in the anti-breakage keratin oil shampoo. This is a stunning shampoo. Hands on, one of the best shampoos that I have ever used. I ran out of this big bottle, and this is my second bottle, and I'm floored by its performance consistently. So I have a couple of shampoos with me right. Once I use all of those, I will definitely go back to this one. The best part about this shampoo, it's a sulfate free shampoo, and it actually prevented and kind of lessened, I will not say stopped, but it kind of reduced the number of hair that used to break during washing the hair, which is the worst time because your hair is vulnerable due to being wet, and that is the time when maximum breakage happens, and this ensured that didn't happen. So definitely love this product and will continue to repurchase it. So all the body care and hair care stuff is done. I have just one makeup product to talk about, and this is this primer from Stay Quirky. I use it quite regularly and I'm completely run out of this. Okay. So I've completely used this up, and this primer from Stay Quirky has been my friend for quite some time. Will I repurchase it? Right now I have other primers which I need to use and test out how they perform. So right now I won't be repurchasing, but once I'm done with all the primers that I have, I'll go back to this one because this is affordable and performs great. Being a silicone based primer, this suits oily skin type perfectly, and it just hides your unevenness and gives a smooth base to work upon. Love this product. Would highly recommend this. Now moving on to perfumes. Yeah, perfumes are quite difficult to use up, but I managed to use up a big one and 4 small testers. Now all these testers are from I don't know if you can see even the name, this is so tiny. So all these testers are from Allgood. I have reviewed all of these in details. I'll leave those links somewhere here or here, and you can check out. But for now, I can talk about the fragrance a bit so that you have an idea what sort it is. This is Urbane Nights Sky. This is men's fragrance. It is a musky, woody, mysterious kind of scent, and it's great for men. My husband loves this. This is Flirty. This is one of the best fragrances I have from Allgood Scents. I also have a bigger bottle purchased. Yeah, sweet, flirty, floral, nice. This is Love and Joy Aqua. This is aquatic, white florals. Yeah, quite nice soft scent. It's quite good. I have a bigger bottle for this one as well. This is Love and Joy Bloom, and as the name suggests, this is a floral fragrance to the Love and Joy version. Really great. I have the bigger bottle, of course. So whether I'll purchase it or not, you have it. I have all the bigger bottles for these. Moving on to the last product for today, and this is a fragrance from Ajmal. It is Desert Rose from Ajmal. This is not for faint-hearted or faint-nosed. It's a strong, very strong rose fragrance. Yeah, it's good, but it's extremely strong. You spray this once in your body, throughout the day this will last, and it will linger onto your clothes extremely. So I took a lot of time to finish this, and I'm happy that I have successfully finished it. But the question is whether I'll repurchase it. Never. The only reason is this is a strong rose fragrance. I like it. I'm not saying this is a bad fragrance. Anybody who loves rosy fragrances, they will love it to the T. But I'm not that much of a rosy person to love it. So although this is a great perfume, I will not repurchase it. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you have used any of these products, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know your opinion on these, and we can talk in the comment section. And make sure you like this video and share it with your friends who might be interested in Product Empty's videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you are notified for all my future updates. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.